Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make margarita pizza at home. Preheat your oven to its highest setting and stretch dough by hand on a floured surface. Spread crushed tomatoes thinly, add torn fresh mozzarella, and scatter basil leaves. Bake quickly on a hot stone until edges char and cheese bubbles. Finish with a drizzle of good olive oil and a pinch of salt, then slice and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Start by mixing flour, water, salt, and a small pinch of yeast until combined into a shaggy dough. Knead briefly or use a stretch and fold method until smooth and slightly elastic. Refrigerate the dough in an oiled bowl for at least 24 hours to develop flavor and texture. When ready, divide into portions, shape into tight balls, and allow them to warm up for about an hour before stretching into a thin round. Assemble pizzas on a well-floured peel to prevent sticking and keep toppings minimal to avoid sogginess. Sauce should be slightly loose but not watery, and mozzarella should be torn, not sliced, for even melting. Slide the pizza onto a blazing hot stone or steel and bake only until crust is blistered and cheese is bubbling, usually a few minutes at very high temperature. Remove, add basil, olive oil, and serve hot for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.